there are many shops laying down on the street in Dhaka city in our country. Number one, two, three, sleeping on the street. Usually look very nice. Maybe hungry. Look camera and think something.